This is the 2013 Sanibel by Primetime, 3600. Some partial body paint with 3 slides, pretty large slides on the side. You have a huge storage bay underneath with all your water hookups. Swing on here to the back. Get your walk-on ladder. This is the bedroom slide. This is a rear living unit and is more at the top of the line of Primetime's offering. Nice big windows. Alright, let's take a look inside. Of course, you have a full electric awning. It also has electric stabilizers and front stabilizers as well. Alright, you have a freestanding table over here to the left. Our theater-like seating, very comfortable with LED lighting and storage above. We also have storage above there with a sofa, turns into a bed as well. Over here we have our entertainment center. Lots of storage with a fireplace, big LCD flat screen TV, and a Sony sound system. A 4-door fridge, plenty of space for all your food, and an oven and a 3-burner stove top with a microwave right above, and you also have pretty cool pantry space right there. We also have more pantry space right here. Opens up. This is something unique that Primetime does. Alright. Get a full look at here. Of course, you have your island with your solid surface countertop and your dual sink. Your accent lighting and your ceiling fan up top. Beautiful designs. Alright, moving into the bedroom. We have dresser here to the right. Lots of storage, LCD screen TV. Through those doors will be room for a washer and dryer and hookups. You also have your walk-in mirrored closet, LED lighting for your reading, and your king-size bed. Over here in the bathroom you have your floor flush toilet, of course your shower, little place to sit down, and your adjustable shower head, your sink, and mirrored storage with lighting. Well, that is the Primetime Sanibel 3600.